So John ended up getting, let's just say, too many of these Supreme cough drops from the last drop. So enjoy this not too serious, for posting sake, taste test of some Supreme cough drops. Welcome to 2018.
Get ready to duke it out on Soulja Boy's new revolutionary device.
I didn't know that Soulja Boy made a freaking video game console with 800 games on it, and he tried a false advertisement tweet saying that now get ready to play Super Smash Bros. Ultimate on the Soulja Boy console.
That's not funny.
Why wasn't it funny?
I didn't find it funny.
How would you not find it funny?
It wasn't funny.
It was funny.
I don't think it was funny.
You don't have a good sense of humor, that's why.
So I think it's safe to say we have the most anticipated drop of all time.
Absolutely. No pun intended, but this drop will make you cough.
That was terrible.
Supreme, with notably known for their accessories, they come up with a new antic this time. Supreme cough drops. Supreme cough drops.
This one.
Supreme cough drops. Just in time for the holiday season, everybody's getting sick. But you know what? These are great testing throat drops. Great throat tasting drops. Oh, look at that. Is it worth $2? Is it worth $16? We'll find out.
The anticipation is too real.
Okay.
You try one.
Yeah, they taste like mostly like lollipops that you get on Halloween or from the nurse's office. It's not really warming up or suppressing my throat.
Hey yo. Yeah, it just tastes like cherry lollipops.
Right? It just tastes like cherry lollipops. Huh.
Did you just spit it out?
No. I've only put it in my mouth like what, like a minute? Hey, yo. Taste wise, 6 out of 10. I mean, it's just like it's not bad, but like it's like a cherry lollipop.
It's literally the same exact taste.
Supreme cough drops, a brand excuse.
Why do you look like that, bro?